The Meross plugin on HOOBS 5. Open the Bridges page, click Add Accessory, select Install a plugin. Search for the Meross plugin. Click on the Meross plugin, select Install again. Wait for the background task circle to finish. Open the Bridges page, click on the Meross bridge, click Configuration. Under Installed Plugin, click the Plugin Settings gear icon. Log in with your Meross username and password. If you have MFA enabled, please click Save, then enter the code that is sent to you. You can also choose to ignore Mather or HomeKit native devices. Click Save Configuration. Wait for the background task circle to finish. Click on the Home menu. Please ensure your device has been added to the Home menu. If you need additional help, please contact us at support.hoobs.org.